What's up everyone, welcome back to another episode of my channel. In today's episode we will be breaking this amazing 2021 Topps Chrome Formula 1 hobby box. This is the one with the auto. I mean, not guaranteed, but potentially. So we'll see if there's one in here. I picked up this box at a show, so thanks to the dealer for hooking it up. These are going for an astronomical amount now too. I think it came out, maybe pre-order might have been around somewhere like $500. They're well over $700 now, so it's kind of crazy how much this is picking up, but I'm really looking forward to opening this. And today's video could only be possible because of our sponsor. Thanks to Iconic Bears. Go check them out. They have an amazing array of products, from t-shirts, hoodies, to hats, to backpacks, and everything in between. They essentially, create and capture these momentous times in the sports history. So for example, the one that I'm wearing is the trophy Kobe, but there's many more, like Chalk Toss, Kobe versus Jordan. They're just these key moments in history that you really want to cherish. So I love this t-shirt, hoping to get more merch. So thanks to Iconic Bears. Go check them out. I'll leave the link below. Alright, let's get started with this unboxing. I haven't, opened a box on my channel for a long time, so I'm super excited. You guys remember the last time I did a break video? I believe it was the case break of this 2020 Sapphire Formula 1 that was going for, I think I bought that for about 7K. Those are impossible to find now, so you've seen where Formula 1 has gone. I'm really excited for it, but at the same time it's hard to afford some of these at this point. So alright, let's get ripping. I've heard a lot of you guys really getting into the Formula 1 space after watching like Drive to Survive, which is the Netflix series around the sort of the tensions and dramas that's readily there, right? Like in a race format. So I'm really happy to hear that, to be honest. Hold on, let me go get some sleeves and some top loaders. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so like I was saying, super excited to hear everyone talking about how the Netflix series have made them more curious about Formula 1, which is amazing, but I highly encourage you to go watch those races. That's starting this upcoming Sunday on the 22nd, is it, I believe. Okay, so we have Nicholas Latifi, Lewis Hamilton car, super nice, and then a Checo Perez to the podium here. Okay, alright, first pack done. Here we go. So this is, to give you a little bit of history of this card, is a second year set from Topps on Formula 1. Oh, look at that, Yuki Tsunoda for AlphaTauri, rookie freshest. That's a nice card. The Max Verstappen, and that's an F2, Future Stars, and a Alessio car. I wonder if I should be sleeving some of these as I go. Maybe I should, maybe I shouldn't. I honestly don't know what the cards to sleeve here or not. I'm just really looking for an auto. So obviously, as you have seen in other sports, second year set, not as desired as first year, but because first year print run was so low, I think there's still a lot of demand for these, which is really cool. Marino Sato, and we have a refractor George Russell card number 39. So yeah, I mean, we'll see what happens to these cards, but certainly a fun break in my opinion. My favorite driver, as some of you know already, is Lewis Hamilton. So if I pull anything Lewis, I would be happy. Okay, we have another refractor back there, or maybe not. We have Carlos Sainz, Max Verstappen, Lewis Hamilton, and a Sergio Perez. So far, nothing big yet, but we're only 4 packs in, so let's not give up hope here. Alright, on to our 5th pack. I really love this shirt. I'm going to wear it a lot. gonna look for some more hoodies and whatnot to wear. Oh, we got a gold purple back there maybe. Another unique thing about this 2021 release is there's a ton of parallels and variables that I really don't know like too much of. Like I can't even keep up. That looks like a Lewis Hamilton card, absolutely. The Mercedes livery right there is super unique. Oh, but man, do you see that end of that card? Oh shoot, that is a bad edge or corner, everything. And we have, oh, Valtteri Bottas. He no longer is on Mercedes. He's with the Williams this season. But a nice gold purple. Is that what it's called? I could be so wrong. Please correct me in the comments if you see me make mistakes. I make mistakes all the time. Guan Yu Zhou, first year on F1 this year. Ooh, we got a Hamilton base. There we go. It looks pretty intense here. Car number 1. Oh, looks clean. Got podium, Pierre Gasly. Oh, there's our auto. Ew. That's an F2 auto right there. 20 out of 50 gold. Man, who is that? Liam Lawson. This is the reality, guys. You see a lot of breakers, I'm sure, and live breaks on YouTube and different platforms where they hit bangers. But guys, this is the reality. I just hit F2 autos all day. Oh man, that is sad right there. Okay, well, at least I shouldn't be complaining because at least I got an auto, I suppose. But that was a quick auto pull right there. Actually, is that a gold wave? That is a gold wave. Or is it not? It is, right? That's a gold wave. Yeah, gold wave auto out of 50 of Liam Lawson. Liam, I don't know you, but hope to see you on F1 track someday. Alright, so moving on, we have Carlos Sainz. We have Guan Yu Zhou car. We have, that's Max, and, ooh, Redliners. We have Lewis Hamilton. Redliners, I believe, is an insert of this set. Does anyone know what redliners actually mean? I don't know. I actually have no idea. Is it like the flag? The red flag? I don't know. Anyways, we got a Perez portrait. We got a Daruvla portrait. Oh, we got a... Is that a portrait for George Russell? It is! Number 19. George... Wow, that was 3 portrait in a pack. And... the podium, Lando Norris. Go. Forget how many packs we're in. I think we're not even halfway there. Maybe we're just at half. A lot of different cards and drivers. It's really cool. Liram, don't know who you are. We got Hungry George Russell here. We got Valtteri and a Daniel Ricciardo car. I think these are one of those like cool things that you can kind of like put on the wall or something, right? Like go right in between Senna and Lewis Hamilton. Not Danny, but you know, someone else. I think it's a cool looking card that you can like put on a display. Alright. Hopefully we have some more cool cards coming up. I mean, it's unfortunate we pulled the auto so fast. Here we go, Charles Leclerc. This is not his portrait. It's an insert. We have Giovinazzi, Samaya, and Redliner Mick Schumacher. The name Schumacher, you will be recognized, and it's an iconic name everywhere in Germany, I'm sure, and across the world actually for those Schumacher fans. His dad was a 7-time world champion. Antonio Giovinazzi. We have Perez, Alonso, and ooh, is that Lewis Hamilton insert refractor? I believe so. Again, not sure what the value of these cards are currently, but these are not going to go anywhere in my collection. They're just going to be stored deep in. First year, second year, just see where they go, really. Oh, we got a maybe color? No, maybe not. All right, Jody, Gunther Steiner, Bottas portrait, and a Schwartzman redliner. F2. think Piastri from F2 is supposed to be the first in line from F2 on to F1. I think he's a reserve for McLaren right now. I think there's a checkered. Is that a checkered? I don't know these parallels well right now, but correct me if I'm wrong. Binotto, please go away. Don't like you. Lewis Hamilton insert. Oh, and then we got a refractor Hamilton and ooh, Max Verstappen. Checkered, not numbered, 43 insert. What is he doing? Picking his ears? I think that's what he's doing. Yep, sleeve this up and top load it as well. That's nice. And we'll put in Lewis Hamilton refractor because we love Lewis here. Alright, we're down to 5 packs now. That was super fast, man. I think there's 18 packs in a box. So not a plethora, but certainly quite a bit. Is that a true gold in the back? Maybe. Oscar, go away. Grand Prix, George Russell, and a car, Marino Sato. Oh, out of 30. It's true. This must be an F2 box, right? Hitting the good cards of F2 right now. Not complaining. Marino Sato, Japanese driver on F2. Hopefully Tsunoda shows him the ropes. Alright, we're now down to 4 packs. This is fun as always. Ripping is always fun when it's affordable decently, but not for long. Oh, that is a... who's that? Petticoat. Never seen him before. Lando Norris car. Okay. So what do you guys think so far? I mean, this isn't a live video, so I can't get live feedback, but I mean, I love the product, and I feel like this year set has a better quality potentially than last year's from what I'm hearing. Oh, Max Verstappen car. And this is like a insert as well. So that's a good thing, right? That these cards are not going to grade on average like say 7, PSA 7, BGS 8.5. Also guys, something that I've noticed is a lot of the PSA 6, 7 graded Formula 1 cards and soccer cards actually are crossing over to BGS 8.5 and 9 even quite frequently, almost always that I've seen in cases. So I highly advise you to take a look at the card itself before you go and jump on them. Toto Wolff and Valtteri Bottas. What I mean by observe the card before you purchase it is, while BGS 8.5 and 9 may demand a premium, right, over like say a PSA 7, I like to actually look at the card as much as I can to my best ability to assess if the card is actually a BGS 8.9 or 8.5 or BGS 9 or PSA 8.9 quality before jumping on that, right? So Armstrong. And that's something that you will notice with long-time collectors is they buy the card, not the grade. I think that's the word. I think we have a purple back there. Daniel Ricciardo, Lewis Hamilton refractor, and again another F2 Theo. Not sure who you are, but hope you get there someday, buddy. It's out of 399, 379 out of 399, and that was our last card of this box. Definitely probably didn't break even at all, in my opinion, but it was worth it. It was fun. There's a refractor that I didn't. Oh, Alonso refractor that I did not sleeve. That's very bad. Very, very bad. Anyways, lots of inserts, lots of portraits, as you saw. Base portraits, unfortunately. And let's go through these 3 cards. We got Marino Sato, car, gold. Got a Max Verstappen, checkered. I guess that's what it's called. Black checkered, white checkered. I'm not sure actually. And we got an auto of Liam Lawson. All right, guys, that was quite a bit of a break. I think I'll give it an average of a B actually, because there was actually an auto in there, a gold wave auto actually. So we'll give it a rating of B. We'll see if I hit anything else in my future opening of boxes, but just wanted to show you guys this product. Again, go check out Iconic Bears if you haven't. I'll leave the link below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. That was awesome.